Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this guide video I'm simply going to guide you on how you can actually remove your WhatsApp account from other devices and unlink them. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So how can you remove WhatsApp from other devices? In this guide video, I'm simply going to guide you on how you can remove your WhatsApp account from other devices so that you are sure that you are only logged in on your primary device. If that is the case, then simply make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can do that very easily. First of all, we simply want to make sure we have downloaded and updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. You can head over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, you need to type in WhatsApp and simply make sure you have updated the WhatsApp to the latest version. And once you've made sure you have actually updated the WhatsApp app, I'm going to simply open WhatsApp right over here. And you can see that this is how the home interface of the WhatsApp app is going to look like. Now let's say that I want to log out of all of the devices on which my WhatsApp is currently logged in at. What can I do in order to log out? First of all, what you want to do is, if you're an Android user, on the top right hand side you'll be able to see these three dots right over here. You can simply tap on its three dots. And for iOS users, you will see a settings button at the bottom right hand side of the screen. You can simply tap on that settings button. Once you tap on the three dots or the settings button, here you'll find an option called linked devices. Right at this third option, you can see under new broadcast and above the start messages section, you have an option called linked devices. So what I'm going to do is simply tap on this button which says linked devices, and as I tap on linked devices right over here, it'll show you a list of all of the devices on which my WhatsApp is currently logged in at, which means that in my case my WhatsApp is also logged in on my laptop on my Windows. So in order to log out, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the device, and here you'll find an option called log out. What you can do is simply tap on the log out button. So as you tap on log out, you can see it will log you out of that devices. Now you can simply go ahead and repeat the process for other devices as well. And if you want to link a device, you can go ahead and simply tap on link a device right over there. So this was the way on how you can very easily remove your WhatsApp from any other device on which you are currently logged in at. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts regarding this, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.